Simpson. Pontrello of Carolina takes the lead. 4 unanswered by UNC here in the fourth.
Offensive ability is a very, very good high school football player.
Pontrello feeling it. That is not a replay. Back-to-back goals for the South Jersey product.
John Toppin just play the ball and play aggressively.
And they do not there, and that gets by Pontrello.
Thinking about Carolina, talking to Coach Bresci, was go 50% of the face-off X. Kyle Rowe, one of the best in the country, then 50% in goal.
North Carolina off to the fast start. It's Steve Pontrello, the converted mini. Miles Jones is one. The other is Gary Gates.
Good company.
Cloutier for Goldstock on the doorstep. Pontrello! Oh my! Terrific interior passing by the heels. Winsky. Pontrello ties it at 11.
Pontrello gets a step and buries it. Here comes the run.
Joe Bresci told us Agent Zero, the most dynamic offensive weapon North Carolina has. Big right hand by number 0 inside 6.
Now they will, and they'll score. The wraparound continues the run. They get 8 unanswered goals for Pontrello and the heels. And the net is wide open. Pontrello doing his job right here. Running away from Landis, shooting at the wide open net and scoring. What an effort by Steve Pontrello out of this group. No, they have lost games in the NCAA tournament, obviously, but not like this. And now, great hit by Edward.
Multiple minutes, it was high and it was late, and they took out a star player.
Cloutier skip pass gets through. Pontrello scores. What a second half for Steve Pontrello. 4 straight goals for the South Jersey product.
17 faceoffs a week ago against Notre Dame. Picked up 11 ground balls and dished out an assist.
Stover has 1 save and they give up 2 goals. Speed kills. Steven Pontrello has absolute burn. Now they're trying to double the ball. You can't double Pontrello. He did that to Notre Dame. He does it now to Loyola. The exclamation point for Pontrello. Clock with the flag down. Pontrello scores! They got exactly what they wanted out of that timeout.
A left-handed drive to a question mark, turn to the outside with a right-handed shot. Look at how Pontrello leans in, steps away, jumps, and then changes level.